The pace accelerates every day, and the world changes constantly. With stable connections and unwavering trust, ES Cable's technology will shape the future of industry and people. ES Cable, a company that has been connecting people and technology for 20 years, is a specialized manufacturer of optical communication cables, providing communication solutions for network environments worldwide. From 5G networks to data centers and smart cities, our products support cutting-edge technological environments and are ushering in the future network era. Through continuous investment in R&D, ES Cable has established a system for new product development and mass production. Through technical research, design, and various testing processes, ES Cable is creating cutting-edge communication solutions. Based on precise design and proprietary technology, we produce premium optical cables of impeccable quality. By using reliable equipment to precisely analyze and preemptively block quality defects, we ensure stable communication quality. Additionally, we have a variety of mechanical and environmental testing equipment to demonstrate durability, stability, and reliability, and thoroughly verify even the most invisible details. Through rigorous inspections and a smart one-stop production system, our products reach beyond Korea and into the world. Optimized for diverse network environments, our lineup of top-quality optical cables provides a complete solution with unwavering performance and productivity. We create customer value, discover new opportunities, and grow into a company that will last for 100 years. Through technological innovation and sustainable management, we will usher in the future network era. And through customized solutions, we will leap forward as a trusted global leader. ES Cable always challenges itself beyond boundaries. We believe that the future begins at the end of the connection technology we create. In a changing world, we are a company that innovates faster. This is ES Cable.